girl Jeelovee and welcome to my channel. This is where we share all the tea, all the secrets, and give out all the information on how to slay your hair. So stay tuned for this video because we got a lot coming. This video today is going to show pretty much the process of me and this wig, and I've been through a process. So yeah, I mean, I'll be showing like me actually coloring it, styling it, all of the above. So if you do want to see all of that, then stay tuned. If not, then you can skip through to whichever portion that you're really looking for, but you shouldn't want to do that because you're going to want to watch this. This is everything that I use. 3 boxes of the high color and sizzling copper. That's the color, and my developer. Now I'm just putting my hair up in a pony, well, a bun, so we can definitely get the color all throughout the hair. And this is how we're going to start. Now I know this color is made specifically for dark virgin hair only, but you guys, it worked. I saw another YouTuber use this and it turned out well. I originally did a test run on another color, but it turned out red, so I went back and got this. I did glue it on, but I skipped that part in this video. If you do want to know how to glue it on, you can refer back to my first video on the wig install. Here I'm just adding a contour powder so it can blend in and make it look more natural in the hairline area. This is my heat protectant. I'm just going to evenly distribute that through the hair. Not too much because you don't want it to be oily and stiff. that was a lot to take in. So I hope you guys did, and if you didn't, you always got to go back and go refer to it. But anyways, this wig is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really do love this hair because not only did it color well, like the texture feels like it's brand new. It feels like I didn't even color it. It's not dry, it's not sheddy and flaky and all of that. It really feels like I didn't even color it. But I will say, and this is on me, when I colored it and washed it, I think I ran out of conditioner. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna I'm gonna just try to get by and not condition it, because I didn't want to use my good conditioner. Like I'm not using my good conditioner, like my Shea Moisture and all of them, for no wig. I always use like dollar store, like cheap conditioner, because you don't need no expensive conditioner. You really don't. Like it's wig. And I ran out, so I was like, oh, I guess I'm not gonna do it. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture from the very first time that I put this wig on, and it was so dry and stiff. And I, you know, like that was definitely my fault for not conditioning this hair after coloring it. Like I literally just wet it and kind of blow dried it and just styled it. But you can see it's so flowy and soft. But the first time it was very crunchy and dry, and I'm just like, I messed up my wig. That was dramatic. Okay. So yeah, I really thought I messed up my wig. I was so mad. I'm like, I should have left it black. I don't like it on me. Like I was really going through it because I really was like upset. Like I really was like, damn, like why did I do that? But I'm so happy that I did, and it's definitely something new. I love that I switched it up and tried something new. I really do like it. I guess I will say like here, I don't know if I should have cut the lace a little bit more. I feel like my forehead just looks, I don't know, it just looks a little weird, or like the hair blends in with my skin a little too much. And it's like, I don't know, because I feel like if you wear colored hair, like you can only wear like white shirts and stuff. Like, I don't know, I don't really like wearing colored hair and then putting on like a pink shirt. I can't do that. It's just like, you gotta be very specific what you wear when you have colored hair like this. But yeah, I had to recondition this hair. Back to that. I had finally went to the store and I purchased some conditioner from the Dollar Tree, and then I let it sit in the hair. Like I poured it all throughout the hair, and I just let it sit there for days. Like well, not days, but like I've let it sit for like 4 days maybe. And I just let it sit in the shower, and it was just literally just had the conditioner in there. And you guys, it was so soft. Oh my gosh, like, oh my God, the hair was so soft. I couldn't believe like this was the hair. I'm just like, yo, like, did I bleach this? It was so soft. So I would definitely recommend that. Like if you're not in a rush to throw the wig on, then definitely let it sit in conditioner for a few days to just kind of soak up everything after all that treatment that is, after all the processing that it just went through. Because it really changed the whole texture of this hair just by leaving it in the shower. And if you share a shower, then I don't know, because I know if you share a shower, then people might be touching your wigs and your stuff, or I don't know. Just tell them not to bother it. And this here is the conditioner that I'm talking about. So I only used it for this hair, and this is how much I used. It's not even a lot, but I swear I thought I used the whole bottle, but this is it. Only $1 at Dollar Tree. I really don't feel like you need to use expensive conditioners on no fake hair. You just don't. It's not that serious. Out of a 10, I would definitely give this hair a good 9, 10, because it did so well with the coloring, and I'm just so happy because I'm just very, very happy with the outcome of this color, of the texture, of everything with this wig. So I would definitely give this about a 10. I love like how you can curl it. I did want to do wand curls, but I was like, you know, I don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna just show you guys that you can do any curls. And you guys saw that I curled it with a flat iron. This hair is A1. A1. Everything that I used, I will leave that down below, but hopefully you guys will look at it during the video. But I will again leave that stuff down below. I love that company so much. I mean, you guys can see it for yourselves during this video. Like, this is so pretty. And the pricing was about $127, I believe. Maybe less. I don't remember. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, you guys. I do this all the time. Like, I do not get the... Okay, anyway, I will leave that exact price of this wig, which was a 16-inch, 13x4 lace wig, down below in the description box, and I'll have the link directly to it. But you already know what company it is. It's Dorosy hair. And you do not have to glue this on if you don't want to. I chose to do it just because it is now colored, and I do not need my black edges showing with orange hair. Like, so I definitely glued it on this time. But when I had it black, I didn't glue it on all the time, and it looked just as good. And I will ew. And I'll insert a picture of that right here, showing you guys what it looks like not glued on. But other than that, there's not really too much to say. I mean, the video pretty much speaks for itself, and if you watched it, then you would see. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and this is really just the beginning. Like, I have so much in store. I really wanted to switch it up and do something different, add some color and some spice to the video. So I don't know, I'm feeling this video, and I can't wait to edit it and get it out there for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Jeelovee OnTV. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. So in my previous video, if you guys check that out, my wig review from Miss Ilsa Hair, I did a question, well, I did pretty much a game, and I'll show you that right here. But yeah, I definitely mentioned, like, if you guys guessed what color I was going to do next, that I will give whoever won and answered first something. And we do have a winner, but she ain't win just because. She won because my stupid self posted in this wig before I made that video, so everybody already seen this color. And then when I dropped the video, I inserted pictures of the colors that of possible colors, and she guessed it right in the comments, which is Akira Barnes. Hey girl, shout out to you from Delaware. She won, she answered it first, and she got it right, so she will be getting a $10 gift card to her. So if you guys want me to do more of that, or if you want to be a part of that and possibly win, definitely stay tuned, because I will be doing more of those in my next upcoming videos. But shout out to Akira Barnes. She won, and girl, your gift card will be sent to you. Congrats.